hypothyroidism are two most common endocrine disorders which originates from the malfunctioning of thyroid gland. When this butterfly-shaped gland in your neck doesn't work with its peak efficiency, it causes an overall imbalance in your body, which results in form of fatigue, sudden increase or decrease in weight, hair fall, bulging eyes, mood swings, depression, infertility. No doubt, thyroid problem is a very serious disorder, but today I assure you that it can be permanently cured by following few changes in your diet and lifestyle along with the help of Ayurveda. Modern science, however, says that thyroid problems can only be managed, it can never be cured. This is when Ayurveda comes to rescue. Myself, Dr. Pashmin Ansari, and in this video I am going to share few things to incorporate in your daily life to cure thyroid from its root cause. If you go back 30 years, you will see there were very few people suffering from thyroid disorder. But today in India there are more than 42 million people suffering from thyroid disease. Our inactive, unhealthy and stressful lifestyle is the reason of it. Women being hormonally sensitive are more prone to this disorder. So there are four most effective ways to rule out thyroid from its root cause. Let's begin with the medicinal herbs. Number 1. Many classical preparations and proprietary products are very useful in this condition. Herbs like Kanchanara, Ashwagandha, Nagarmotha, Varuna, Erandumula, out of which Kanchanara is extremely beneficial in fighting thyroid disorder. Even you can use Kanchanara Guggulu for external application on your neck. Simply take 1 to 2 tablets of Kanchanara Guggulu, crush them and rub that powder on your neck for 7 to 10 minutes after shower. It is really beneficial into decreasing the TSH levels. Do not forget to follow it for 3 months. Number 2, gluten-free and sugar-free diet. Gluten, sugar and processed foods can lead to increased inflammation in your body. This increased inflammation will slow down the process of conversion from T4 to T3, which will worsen your thyroid symptoms. And if you are hypothyroid, suffering with arthritis, joint pain and acne, you need to completely cut down dairy products from your diet. Number 3, yogasanas. There are some very specific breathing exercises and yogasanas for thyroid disorder, which are very easy and super effective. One of it is Ujjayi Pranayam. Ujjayi Pranayam helps to connect your mind with your soul. So it is very beneficial in thyroid disorder. Start doing it for 2 to 3 minutes every day. To add more benefits to it, start practicing Setubandhasana, Simhasana and Surya Namaskar. You can start with 5 repetitions every day and gradually keep on increasing. Number 4, lifestyle changes. Iodine is the most important mineral in thyroid disorder, but please do not go with free-flowing common salt where iodine is synthetically added. Instead, switch to rock salt which naturally contains iodine. Avoid soy products. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage and cauliflower can only be taken when they are fully cooked. One of the most effective medicinal product for hypothyroidism is Thyrovit from Vital Care. This medicine has combination of other herbs with Kanchanara Guggulu. Those herbs are Ashwagandha, Brahmi, Guduchi, Haridra and Yashtimadhu, which has antioxidant and immunomodulator properties. It also contains Yashadbhasma and garlic, which compensates the requirement of zinc and selenium in your body, again very useful into thyroid condition. So follow all these 4 steps to cure thyroid from its root cause, and do share your queries in comment section. Until then, thank you.